Hi everyone, it's Gary Nicholson here for weatherweb.net. It's the fast forecast for your next few days. Now, I'll put some more details on this in a second, but here's the chart for Saturday. Low pressure centred out towards the west, fronts gradually progressing northwards and eastwards across the country. Temperatures at the highest in eastern regions around a 13, maybe a 14, feeling fairly humid with that flow coming up from the south, but quite a brisk wind across most areas. Temperatures nearer to around a 10 across western parts. Certainly a windy day through Saturday. The strong winds coming up from the south at around 25 to 35 miles per hour, even well inland, and in exposed spots gusting towards 40 miles per hour. We're looking then around a force 7, force 8 for many coastal areas, and sometimes gusting much stronger than that, not far off 50 or 60 miles per hour ahead of that front in the southwest as that just moves in, and then gradually the winds will turn around more southwesterly into Saturday evening. As the low just develops and moves northwards into the early hours of Sunday morning, the strongest of the winds becoming focused around northern Scotland. Here they could be gusting widely 60-70 miles per hour across northern areas into the Northern Isles as well, and even remaining strong southwesterlies elsewhere, still at around 30 to perhaps locally 40 miles per hour to start Sunday. So here's the progress of that rain on Saturday daytime. First thing in the morning, it's across Ireland, it's into western Scotland, gradually encroaching further in and will be persistent over many hours for the west and the south of Scotland, across Wales and across northwestern parts of England as well. A few bursts of rain likely to develop just ahead of this across central and eastern parts, but you're largely dry for the Midlands and eastern England, but gradually that rain will just encroach further in, so into the afternoon and the evening, more likely to develop most widely across eastern parts by that time, and then clearing through from the west into the later part of the evening, but some heavy bursts of showers likely to run back northwards into Scotland. And those bursts of rain, with some snow up over the mountains too, will wrap themselves around and may become quite persistent over the Highlands into the early hours of Sunday morning, and likely to still be around into the daytime. Really then is a story of some heavy showers getting going from mid to late morning, becoming most widespread into the middle of Sunday daytime and afternoon. The risk of some really quite heavy downpours, some hail, some thunder mixed in at times, almost anywhere at risk of catching these bursts of rain. Then its attentions turn towards the south, and we see a big area of rain developing, that becoming widespread overnight into Monday. Some question mark how quickly this gets in and how far north it gets. It may well turn to snow over the hills of northern England and Wales for a time, and then pivot around and drag northwards into the North Sea into Monday daytime, but really leaving the risk of quite a wet, unpleasant day, and followed by some heavy showers across Scotland and western parts of Britain. We need to keep an eye on the details for Monday, but an area of low pressure centred somewhere in here, driving in gales or severe gales across many southern regions of Britain at the risk of gusts, particularly in coastal areas, in excess of 50, 60, even 70 miles per hour in a few spots, so really one to bear in mind. Northern Britain at this stage looking not quite as windy for Monday. But that's the very latest for today. Don't forget you can get all the information updated every day on WeatherWeb Premium, and to find out how to get your free 3-day trial, just click on the premium member options here on the website. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.